So for dinner tonight, I'm gonna have some pork chops, and these are two pretty thick cut. I guess maybe a half an inch. And what I did was along the fat, I kind of scored it a little bit. That way, when you're cooking it, it doesn't kind of curl the edges. It tends to help it. Make sure you dry them off real good, which I've already done. And then this is a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, an 1/8 teaspoon of allspice, and an 1/8 teaspoon of thyme. And basically, we're just going to season both sides of the chops at least 20 minutes before you get ready to cook them. And I'm going to put them back in the refrigerator, and then I'll show you the next step. Let me go ahead and show you how I'm going to season them here. Like I said, this is just real light, and I'm going to kind of mix it around with my hand here in a little bit. Just kind of get it on both sides. Yeah, maybe could have mixed a little bit more, but it'll be all right once it marinates in the refrigerator a little while. Once it sets up. So, all right, I'm gonna rub that in a little real good, and I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and cook the pork chops. We got I'm gonna use 1 teaspoon of olive oil. And we'll get that hot. And what we're going to do is pork chops are done at 145. Safe to eat at 145. And that's usually where I try to cook them at, 145, 150. If I find if you go any more, they dry out. So here's my pork chops. 20 minutes in the refrigerator. And I mean, you could do this overnight. I just did 20 minutes. And basically just lay them in. I like to have a little space if you can. And we're going to let this go about 5 minutes. Do 5 minutes, then we're going to flip it and do 5 minutes. Actually, I take that back. I'm going to do 4 minutes, and then I'm going to flip it, and then I'm going to do 4 minutes. Okay, that's been around 4 minutes. We're going to go ahead and turn it. Got a nice little brown. Side's kind of lifting up a little bit on that one, but that's okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hold it down a little bit while it's cooking to try to get it to flatten out a little bit. Actually, there's another way. This may work. If not, oh well. It might help it. And we'll let this go another 4 minutes. We just hit the 8-minute mark, so I'm going to go ahead and test it right now. We still got about 10 more degrees to go. It's around 135 right now, so I may turn it for another minute here. We're getting close to 9 minutes now. It's gonna probably take around 10 minutes, I bet. I'll show you when I get to when I get it up to temperature. All right, it's about 10 minutes, and we definitely have up to temperature now. That one there was let's see what this one here is reading. 153 or so. So we're good on that. Go ahead and take them and put them in the plate. Like such. Now we're going to make a little sauce. And don't have to, but I'm gonna take out some of the grease. And this will just make a very easy sauce. Nothing crazy. This is just some chicken stock that I had in the refrigerator. Add a little bit of that. And also we're going to add some green onion tops to it. Like that. I didn't add any salt to it. Like I said, I'm trying to watch my sodium intake, so I'll add it at the table if I need some. Actually, for lunch today, when I ate lunch, I didn't add any salt to the meal I cooked for lunch earlier today, so pretty good. Like I said, we're just gonna get this to where it just starts to thicken up a little bit. This is where all your flavors at. I mean, you don't want to get rid of this, you know. And it's getting there. I think we're good on that. And then they got this is I usually wait 3 minutes, 3-minute rest period for your pork chops when you cook them at 145, you know, 150 or so. You don't have to, but I figure once you get the sauce made and you pour it on top, you put it on the table, everything's pretty much, you know, 3 minutes. So that's everything. That'll be my dinner today, and I'm gonna have a green salad to go along with it. Something like this, you know. I got some avocados, cucumber, tomatoes, and just plain old salad there. I'm gonna put a little olive oil with some feta cheese on the salad. And that's gonna be lunch. Well, that'll be dinner for tonight. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed my video, please subscribe to my channel.